Did you know some Japanese car engines can easily last over 500,000 miles with just regular maintenance? That's the kind of reliability most car makers dream of. Today, we're diving into 11 Japanese engines that last forever. From off-road beasts to high-revving performance icons, these engines are built to go the distance. Don't miss the number 7 as it runs almost 700,000 miles without any issues. Let's get started. Number 1. Toyota 1HZ. It is a true icon of durability and longevity in the world of Japanese engineering. Found under the hood of the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series, this 4.2-liter inline-6 diesel engine is built for endurance. What makes the 1HZ so reliable? For starters, it's a simple, naturally aspirated diesel engine with fewer components that can fail. Its cast-iron block and cylinder head are designed to handle extreme conditions, whether you're tackling rugged off-road trails or enduring high temperatures in remote areas. The 1HZ's low-stress design prioritizes torque over high RPMs, meaning less wear and tear over time. It's also renowned for its ease of maintenance, with mechanics worldwide praising its straightforward design. It's no surprise that you'll still find these engines running strong after hundreds of thousands of miles. Number 2. Nissan TD42. This 4.2-liter inline-6 diesel engine, famously used in the Nissan Patrol, is beloved by off-road enthusiasts and adventurers worldwide. Why does the TD42 last forever? Its robust design, featuring a cast-iron block and head, makes it exceptionally durable. The engine is naturally aspirated or turbocharged, depending on the variant, but it's built to handle high-stress environments without compromising performance. Known for its low-revving, high-torque characteristics, the TD42 minimizes strain on internal components, ensuring extended lifespan. Its straightforward mechanical design also makes it easy to maintain, even in remote areas. Whether powering through deserts, scaling mountain trails, or enduring heavy towing, the TD42 is a testament to Nissan's engineering excellence, making it a legend among Japanese engines that stand the test of time. Number 3. Subaru EJ22. It is a shining example of engineering simplicity and reliability, earning its place as one of the most enduring Japanese car engines ever made. This 2.2-liter flat-four boxer engine debuted in the early 1990s in models like the Subaru Legacy and Impreza, quickly becoming a favorite for its resilience and practicality. What sets the EJ22 apart is its overbuilt nature. It features a cast-iron cylinder block paired with aluminum heads, creating a robust combination designed to withstand high mileage. The engine's non-interference design is a standout feature if the timing belt snaps. The pistons and valves avoid catastrophic damage, which is rare in modern engines. Its balanced layout, inherent in boxer engines, reduces vibration and wear, contributing to its long lifespan. Easy to maintain, fuel-efficient, and nearly indestructible, the EJ22 embodies Subaru's ethos of reliability. Number 4. Toyota 1JZ/2JZ. These inline-6 engines, found in iconic models like the Toyota Supra, Chaser, and Aristo, have a bulletproof reputation. The secret to their reliability lies in their over-engineered design, featuring a cast-iron block, forged internals, and a robust cooling system. This makes them capable of handling extreme stress, whether in stock form or heavily modified for high-performance applications. The 1JZ is a 2.5-liter engine, while the 2JZ is a 3.0-liter powerhouse, but both share Toyota's meticulous attention to detail. The 2JZ GTE in particular is twin-turbocharged and famous for its ability to handle over 1,000 horsepower with minimal modifications. Despite their performance potential, these engines remain incredibly reliable for daily driving, due to their smooth power delivery and low-maintenance design, whether you're chasing horsepower or simply looking for an engine that will last forever. Number 5. Nissan RB26. It has a name that commands respect among car enthusiasts and racers alike. Originally designed for the legendary Nissan Skyline GTR, this 2.6-liter inline-6 engine became synonymous with performance and reliability. What makes the RB26 so durable? Its cast iron block and forged internals are engineered to handle extreme power and stress, making it a favorite for tuners pushing the engine beyond 1,000 horsepower. Despite its performance pedigree, the RB26 is remarkably dependable in stock form, with excellent cooling and lubrication systems ensuring longevity. The twin turbocharged setup provides smooth and consistent power delivery, while its high revving nature adds to the thrill without compromising reliability. Nissan's precision engineering ensures that the RB26 can endure years of hard use, whether on the track or the street. Known for its ability to be tuned and modified without sacrificing its structural integrity. Number 6. Honda B18. It is found in popular models like the Integra and Civic. This 1.8-liter inline-4 engine became a favorite for enthusiasts seeking reliability and performance. The B18's legendary status comes from its durable design, featuring a sturdy aluminum block and high-strength internals, ensuring longevity even under hard use. The B18 is part of Honda's VTEC family, known for its variable valve timing technology that delivers efficiency at low RPMs and exhilarating power at high RPMs. Despite its sporty nature, the B18 is incredibly dependable, often running flawlessly for hundreds of thousands of miles with regular maintenance. Its simple yet robust design makes it easy to maintain and highly adaptable for modifications, further solidifying its status as a tuner favorite. Number 7. Mazda Skyactiv G. It is a part of Mazda's innovative Skyactiv family. This gasoline engine was designed to optimize every drop of fuel while maintaining durability and performance. Its high-compression design, reaching an industry-leading 14:1 ratio in some markets, maximizes power output and fuel efficiency. Yet Mazda engineered it to withstand the increased stress without compromising its lifespan. The Skyactiv G engine features advanced materials and precise machining to reduce wear and tear, alongside direct injection and intelligent cooling systems for optimal performance. Despite its high-tech approach, it's known for being low maintenance, with owners often praising its long service intervals and consistent performance over the years. Whether powering a compact Mazda 3 or a sporty CX-5, the Skyactiv G is proof that reliability and innovation can coexist. Number 8. Toyota 1G ZFE. This is a testament to Toyota's engineering prowess, designed to offer unparalleled smoothness, power, and durability. This 5.0-liter V12 engine, the only V12 Toyota has ever mass-produced, is most famously found in the Toyota Century, Japan's flagship luxury sedan. What sets the 1G ZFE apart is its meticulous construction, aimed at delivering exceptional reliability and a near-silent operation, perfect for chauffeuring dignitaries and executives. Built with a cast iron block and aluminum heads, the 1G ZFE is designed for longevity, capable of enduring high mileage without significant wear. Its naturally aspirated layout reduces mechanical complexity, while its balanced V12 configuration ensures minimal vibration and strain on internal components. Despite its focus on luxury, the 1G ZFE has also been a favorite among tuners for its ability to handle high-performance modifications. Whether in its original refined form or tuned for massive power, the 1G ZFE proves why Toyota's engineering continues to stand the test of time. Number 9. Honda K20. It is a part of Honda's K-series. This 2.0-liter inline-4 engine powers popular models like the Civic Type R, RSX, and Accord Euro R. Its combination of robust engineering and cutting-edge technology make it exceptional. Built with an aluminum block and head for lightweight durability, the K20 is designed to handle high RPMs and maintain reliability over hundreds of thousands of miles. It has Honda's advanced iVTEC system, which optimizes valve timing for efficiency at low RPMs and thrilling power delivery at high RPMs. Despite its sporty nature, the K20 is famously dependable, with owners often boasting about its low maintenance needs and incredible longevity. Its ability to handle heavy modifications without sacrificing reliability has also made it a favorite in the tuning community. Number 10. Toyota 1 UZ-FE. It is a hallmark of reliability and engineering excellence. This 4.0-liter V8, part of Toyota's UZ engine family, was originally developed for the luxurious Lexus LS 400 and later found in other models like the Toyota Soarer and Toyota Land Cruiser. Its all-aluminum construction featuring a lightweight block and heads ensures durability without compromising efficiency or performance. The one UZ-FE is over-engineered to handle extreme conditions, with forged internals, a robust timing belt system, and exceptional cooling capacity. Its smooth power delivery and low-stress design allow the engine to achieve extraordinary longevity, often exceeding 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. Mechanics praise its straightforward design and ease of maintenance, further solidifying its legendary reliability. Number 11. Honda K24. It is one of the most beloved engines in the automotive world. This 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, part of Honda's K-series, powers a wide range of vehicles, from the Honda Accord to the sporty Acura TSX. Known for its robust construction, the K24 features an aluminum block and head, with forged components that ensure exceptional durability even under high stress. One of the standout features of the K24 is its advanced iVTEC system, which seamlessly balances fuel efficiency and performance. It's a low-maintenance, high-mileage engine, often praised for its ability to last well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal issues. The K24's adaptability has also made it a favorite in the tuning world, where it's often swapped into lightweight platforms for impressive performance gains. Whether in stock form as a dependable daily driver or tuned for high horsepower, the Honda K24 is a shining example of why Japanese engines are built to last forever. That's it for today's 11 Japanese engines that last forever. Subscribe for more in-depth looks at the engines, cars, and SUVs. Stick around for more insights into what makes these machines timeless.